Hello everyone. Today is our series. The next topic is how to replace the missing value by using the Na or Na.omit and Na.rm. Means you can discard the value or leave it the value, or you can remove the value. So this is the definition. Missing value in data science arise when there is a missing column or data frame or contain the character value instead of numeric value. Missing value can be dropped or replaced. It means if we saw the data set, sometimes that there is data set where is right in the column is a NA. So we can change it into numeric, or we can remove the column. We can use according to the requirement. So we in this process we can use the deployer library is used for the remove the null value. It's not necessary that deploy library only use the null value, it also use the other value also. So there is the three method we can remove. We can remove the missing value, mutate and exclude missing value using the NA, and impute missing value NA with the mean and medium value using the mean. So muted is muted is exclude missing value from the data frame, or impute missing values with the mean and medium. If we can discard the value, or we can use by the giving the mean and medium value, because sometimes that if the company data set and use data set, there is not necessary that you can drop the all columns or row if the columns are blank. So we can use the second method using by the mean medium. We can give the value to calculate by in calculate it and give the column values by the mean and median. And third, exclude missing value dot omit means discard the value method by using deploy library. Simple to exclude missing observation, dropping, or you can drop the or null value from the data. Is easy, but it does not mean that most elegant solution is elegant solution, because if we drop the every column, there are a lot of null values. So if we drop the column, so it give the error. So that's why it give the definition that it is not a elegant solution. Is the best example is the Titanic. If you so if you will see the Titanic data set, there is a lot of blank columns are there. Uh, so if you get chance, to please see the Titanic data. You found that very good practice in null value. If you want to make a program by using the null value, so Titanic is the best data set for it. Third is impute missing value NA with the mean and medium. So third is where we can fill the data set by using the mean and medium values. So now let's come to the R Studio. So where R Studio have I have installed the library deploy, and now I run. And this is the data which I have created. Uh, this working. Now I am using the muted method. So it's there is the null value. It show the null value also, because it's not completed this. If I am using only muted, so it's not working. Now I show you other option also. Next, I want to calculate the marks is English plus math. So it show the total. Now you see the last is show you NA and NA. Now I want to discard the fourth line. So that time I am using the Na.omit. Then you see it. Then last line it discard. So you can use by the Na.omit to discard the value, or you can fill also using the mean and median. You can fill the missing value also. So is the next I have created the new data set where I want that if there is any null value, df dot is it fill by using the mean value. So we run it. So it's give the there is a NA value. It's give the number is 225 is the mean value. It's calculate the both line, then give the answer, give the output 225. In the same way, I am using the medium. So it's give the 250. This is the medium value, this is the mean value, and this is the medium value. Variable name, and then give the medium. Now next is there is also also you want to mean value to calculate the value mean value, and want the sum of the values which is in your data set, and you want to the mean values all data set. It only it count the total of the numeric column and discard the NA value. So how can we use it? This is the data printed. So there is three null values. Now I want to mean values. So print I give the print mean, and this is my variable name, and Na.rm is equal to 2. If I give the false, so it show the same as it showed that time, this one. So that's why I am giving the true. So it's give the 18 is the mean values. It not it's only give the this one and this one is calculate all these numeric value and then give the output. Same way I want the sum of the values. So 108, if you calculate all these number 1 2 3 45 34 and 23, these these total are 108. So it's give the sum. Same thing I'm using the, if you want the min value, then min value is only 1. Same is in 1. And maximum value is 45. Is it 45 maximum value? Minimum value is 1 and maximum is 45, and total is 108. It not count the NA values because it discard the is only include the numeric values. Next is standard deviation. So standard deviation output is 18.86. So this is the program where we know how to use the missing value, how to discard the value, and how we can fill it by using the main medium.
Please subscribe the
Hope
channel
you
and
like
thanks
it.
for watching.
Thank you.